Hi, I'm gonna show you how to use Deformer soft, and also known as Lattice tool in other 3D programs. And we can create a default geometry and make a polymesh 3D. And the way we can get to it is by either choosing move, scale, or rotate, or just pressing W on the keyboard and then clicking this gear icon and Deformer soft. It's gonna give us this cage shape that has like points that are already white. That means like they're all selected. We can control and click in empty space to invert the selection. When all is selected, it's gonna be none, and just select the points that we want. So I'm gonna hold Control Alt and left click drag. It's gonna select the points that I want. And if I want to add to it, I'll just hold shift and click. If I don't want to, if I want to deselect, I'll just control drag over the one I don't. And then we use this green or any of them. We can adjust the way we want. And when we're done, we're gonna click the gear icon again and accept. So this will just do everything. If you regret, we can reset it. It's gonna go back to the way it was before, but we want to accept it. If we want to have more details or more control over it, we can use these orange handles to add more points. And let's try to add one more so it's symmetrical. Let's say one more. All right. So there is one really in the center. Now, if I want to select only one, Control Alt select over. Now if I move this up, you see it's very sharp. The reason is it's gonna only control up to the points next to it. So since we use this handle to create 11 subdivision, we can only control things with this point up to these side ones. And now I'm gonna show you the other one. If we click this and reset, because we changed our mind, it's gonna snap back to the normal. And we can get rid of this cage by pressing any other brush. So BST to go to the default brush. Now it's ready to be painted or textured or sculpted on. That's all. If you have any questions, let me know.